Mark, Phoenix CNC, you're known for your Mazzacam software, so anybody with a suite of Mazzacs, is that right?
That's right, anybody with a suite of Mazzacs going back across the whole range of Mazzacs, we've got the software that can program them, convert them.
Yeah, so milling, turning, anything on a Mazzac?
Mill turns, yep, the whole lot, the whole range.
But we're here now because I understand you've landed UK distribution rights for some new software.
That's right, we've just taken on Top Mill and Top Turn, German company, training predominantly, so colleges, schools, all sorts of education. Program the machines in ISO, so G codes, Siemens, Heidenhain, and then we can make any machine we want to, program the machine, simulate the machine, check that it works before the students go on to real machines and do the damage there. So.
Okay, so this software is really, it's out of Germany, but really well known around the world, though.
Yeah, throughout Asia, throughout America, a lot of schools, universities use it.
So great opportunity in the UK.
We hope so, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, so anybody who wants to get into engineering, this is a great product for them to use, or the people actually training them?
Yeah, it is, and if anybody wants to download a demo version, there's a demo version if you visit the website, so you can have a play and see how you get on with it first.
Okay, and you said there, so any control, so well, Siemens.
Yeah, Siemens, Fanuc, Heidenhain.
Mitsubishi?
You can do Mitsubishi,
okay.
Yeah.
Just throw that one out there. So any type of control, any type of machining?
Any type of machining, yeah. Even down we'll do drill grinding. We have a simulator for that as well. So.
Right. And this is aimed at someone getting brand new into engineering, or someone maybe who's been running a manual mill and wants to move on to CNC?
No, within the industry, if people want to prove a program before it actually goes out onto the machine, you know, they can check the program works, check they got the right process before it goes out onto the shop floor, so they can proof it first.
Okay, so and the main selling point is you can use it and it'll test it. You're not going to crash your machine.
No, you're not going to crash a machine.
Okay, so if they're interested in this software, where do they go to get it?
Go to us, come to us at the show, of course, or contact us at Phoenix CNC Support.
Done. Excellent. Wish you good luck with that. Thank you very much, Mark.
Thank you, Colin. Cheers.